Okay, so all right. So I can get my list. My list. I got a list. All right. Get my list here. So I wanted to talk about sentiment and trading for your trades. Because this is a moment in time. I wasn't going to record a video, but because the market is doing what it's doing, I did a previous video talking about. Let's see if I can find it. Previous video view page. View your channel. Are you a trader? Oh no, just switch it. I did. Oh, this one, and I was showing the account. I'd set up a couple trades or whatever. Go check it out. This is where it is now. It's getting close to. I don't like that. Let me take this off. And take these off. It's like resetting it because it trailing stops. Let's see. Trailing stop. So I took all of them off. Right. I need to do that for the other ones. Hold on. Trailing stop. So you delete all. So it won't reset it. Whoops. Trailing stop. Delete all. So let the suckers run. I don't. The reason why I do that is because I already know the target price, like the target. This is going further. Where do I have this at? Yeah, it's going further than that. This one's going down 7. Anywhere in here. It's gonna take longer. 700. So you're in the RSI DGT oversold overbought zone. Um, the way this is set up, the way it happens is I like to see a nice run up. Okay. And I like to see this zone, whatever zone opposite could be opposite, of course, right? Would be green going down. So red going up. I like to see these step, and then this whole area fill up where the line, the red line, and this is what the red line looks like when you go in closely. Let's see if I can. You go in closely, see how there are dots or whatever. Well, you can change the style, but back up. Then, what it does is it will form, and this is I'm giving you guys game right here. Um, what's on an hour? This will form a harmonic, okay? Then breach that. We'll form a bullish harmonic at the top. Breach that. Start to break that. Anywhere below this point is where you want to trade. Is where you want to short it. Oh, and the other thing is this will happen. Let's see. This area will jump up. See how that jumped up? Goes up and kind of grabs that price. This cuts off and then it starts to block and make a red block going down. But this whole area below it remains empty. And it, for the block, it'll be like a red block. As price comes down and it's grabbed it. When it's into that zone, it's grabbed the price. Okay. And then the green, um, this green area will stay back away from the price and start to just go straight out. Like, it'll look like, see if I can make one. I'm going to make one. Look like that with a green line. going like that. It looks something like this. And then this part will be, so I don't know where the price is. This part will start doing shit like this. Right? Shit like this. As price goes down, it's going to form these blocks all the way down to this point. Got it? So I'm looking for now NTDJ. Oh, NTDJ what passed? CJ? Okay, all right. Some shorting those. Your JPY. I just got in at that one. Um, on here. Something I was gonna say. Entity JPY. Oh, so if you look, these are my targets: 283 pips, 277 pips, 719 pips, 318 pips, 449 pips, 731 pips. Okay, it's gonna take like probably 40 days to hit that. If I'm in it or not, it's just gonna go. And it's like lately I've been like jumping out of it, right? Like back in the day, I would stay in there. So lately, I've been jumping out of it, and then I get upset because I see it go to my target. I'm like, and I'm not in it. And I'm like, come on, why was I impatient? You know, so I'm gonna be patient, let them run. Um, I look at the pips, the points. I was saying in the previous video, I look at the points, not the amount, because we can get emotional about money, but we don't really get emotional about pips. Pips allow us to really make sure that we see, what's really going on. Let's see if we can move to that other one. So, and make sure that we can see the true picture. The other trades, I had GBP, CHF, and it was two other, whatever trades, CHF, they had gone to 40, so I got out of it. Or if I didn't put a stop loss on it. I just try to see if I catch it visually, like, because it can hit 40 or 36, right? Where I would have seen it if I got out, probably would have gotten out if I seen it. I'll double check the chart. I really want to be sure, like really, 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 really be sure that I'm done with the trade. I don't want to just jump out of a trade. You know what I mean? Like I don't want to react. Reacting is bad. Reacting is like chasing. You know. So, and then it controls you. Like when you're reacting to movements instead of having your own person, or your own strategic educated guess reason for doing something. You have to have a reason to do it, because let's say for instance, if it's incorrect, you have to know why. Like you have to know why is it, right? This is the one I was in before, and then I got out at 36 pips, but I had already marked it for a bigger drop, and it went to a 330 on me, and I'm like, ah. So now this is the area of confluence. It has difficulty, so this may go a while sideways. May do one of these and then copy this side, completely close this. The tough area to get past is going to be right here in the center, 1.78064. It's going to be very tough for price to get below that and continue to the target, which the real target is actually down here. That's the real target, but that can take definitely take some time. Okay. That's like all the way, and that's the point of this is the point of where it touches and literally, has about a 70 to 80% chance of reversing right here in this area. This is, so And that's that. That's where it is. Unless can the RSI can bring back these busted accounts right there. Hey, we got an alert. Show more. Okay. Okay. That's good. Great. Um, that's like real momentum. Chances are it'll get broken, right? Um, these zones, when these neuros happen within the zone instead of outside the zone, I have nothing to worry about. I know that um, they're gonna get broken. Like they'll bounce back. They'll do their little thing, but it's not over, right? So that just I put that up here as a indicator of strength. Just pushing hard into the oversold, which is great. That creates that trend, and it's near the end of the week. So Thursdays are when trends start. Thursday, that's yesterday earlier. Trends start on Thursday. They don't start on Monday. They don't start on Tuesday. They don't start on Wednesday. They start on Thursdays. All right. So if you like the video, you find it informative, and you want me to do more of these, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.